Hey everybody, Bones here, Bones Garage, just bringing you update what's going on at the garage. So, 1966 Chevy Chevelle 396 SS. Car's coming out great. I showed you under the hood already, and I showed you that we were starting to take out the dash, and this is why we are taking out the dash and redoing all of the wiring that somebody has just done. This is a brand new wire harness. This car only has about 470, 480 miles on it. They just put this wire harness in, and that is the mess that they have left. You can see all that. We already started labeling everything so we know where everything went and where it's going to be going back to, because we have no schematics for it. So, but I know where everything goes. Everything's pretty much labeled, and and we'll get it all set up. We're also going to reverse the knobs for the radios, so this way they're the right way instead of the way that they are now, and get everything all right there. We also are going to fix his heater box over here, the controls. They had not put all of the clips and everything in the way they're supposed to. This tab right here is supposed to go into this slot right here, and as these move, they move your doors open and close, so you go from down below to up top and you get your defrosters, because these are your vents for your defrosters. They also didn't even put the defrosters up to the cowl. It's just, they're just hanging there like that. So we're gonna have to get all of the linkage and everything to put all of this up, the bracing, to get all this up the right way, so it is correct, not the way that they have it. So we got some work still to do on this, and then we'll also secure the radio, because the only way they had the radio secured were the little nuts here. It's supposed to also have a brace in the back that attaches into this bracket right over here, and that secures the radio and keeps it from screwing up your dashboard and makes it all nice. So yeah, there's quite a bit of work to go on in here. I mean, that is just a complete and absolute mess. Utter mess. You'll see when we're finished how nice that is going to look when we're all done. And get it all set up, get it all ready to go, and yeah, we'll have her all done for you. Oh, and I'll show you in the back on the dashboard why we don't use amp meters anymore with these higher amperage alternators. If you look here, see that little plastic tube right there? See how nice and round that plastic tube is? Now you look over here at your amp meter. See that plastic tube is melted and falling out? Well, there was a fire just about ready to happen right there, and if you look sideways like this, you'll also see that that post is bent. And if you look, there's a plastic insulator right back there, and it started melting that plastic insulator. Once that insulator melts, this metal shaft will hit the grounded part of the dashboard, and that will also cause a fire. So there's why we don't use amp meters anymore when we update the electrical systems on these cars and put bigger alternators in them. You have to go with a volt gauge and get rid of this. So there you go, guys. Little tip for you. Alrighty, have fun. Talk to you soon. Okay, bye.